Okay guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how I like to take just an old chunk of firewood, probably too dry to really expect to be able to turn anything nice out of it, but I just like to take these, throw them on the lathe once in a while and just kind of practice, to build my skills. And occasionally, it turns out into something halfway decent and you might want to sell it at a craft show or something. If not, throw it away and start on another one. The main thing is you're practicing. So here we go. Okay, I've sanded it up to 180 grit. Now I'm gonna wet it down a little bit just to raise the grain, and then I'll go over it with some 220 grit. And then we'll take this off right here and make a nice little candle holder. Okay, we'll let that spin dry. Well, it's not quite how I planned it, but it'll work. Now we'll get it mounted up in the chuck and finish it off here. Okay, pretty nice. Now we'll put a little shine juice on it. I'll turn this back around here. Make it easier for you to see. And if you guys got any interest in mixing up some of this stuff, I'll leave the links in the description. It's a 3-part mixture. You've probably seen it in some of my other videos. It's denatured alcohol, shellac, and boiled linseed oil. 3 equal parts. Mix it up. Make your shine juice. Turn this down and get a coat on it. I'll tell the truth, guys, you would have just burned that piece of firewood. You don't always get lucky. Sometimes they fall apart or they don't turn out good. It depends on, you know, how bad the wood's cracked or stuff like that. But either way, it's good practice and it doesn't really cost you anything. If it doesn't work out, you can still burn it. And sometimes you can turn out something decent. Put that on the table at a little craft show or something, or give it to your wife or girlfriend. Moms usually appreciate stuff like this the most. But okay, I'm going to speed the lathe up and get this to where it starts warming the rag. You can feel the warmth in the rag, and that's building up, that friction is building that heat up, and that puts a nice shine on it. So we'll take this up to about, I don't know, 1200 RPM, something like that. You gotta keep your rag moving. You don't want to hold it in one spot. All right. Now I'll take it over here and remove that tenon, sand that bottom smooth. And got a nice little candle holder. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.